That resistor, the ceramic resistor.
The
resistor is inside that ceramic thing.
Got you, yeah.
And and when he took it off, the back, there was one prong that was never pushed down. He said that's why that whole thing was in. When you're trying to push down, it kept pushing off.
Yeah.
And he said
the actual spade was loose.
He said that could be the reason the car wasn't starting. But it's still there's something else wrong because it did start eventually, and it was only the cold weather that made it worse. And the colder it got, the worse it got.
Understood. So that means something is moving away, because cold, makes it contract. So
could be making it worse. That's true. This works, right? Oh, that's a lot. I had it. I was in a car. I forget who had it, because this is all so familiar to me. Oh shit!
Probably was a taxi or something like that.
No, it was the Oldsmobile diesel of this year. What year is this?
87.
It was just around then. When was the gas shortage? When everybody started?
I can't remember.
Yeah, my girlfriend bought an Oldsmobile diesel.
Hear that shit?
I did hear it. It went away when you stepped on a brake.
Yeah.
Next time you hear it, step on the brake. Not too hard.
No, I know. Which way? Oh, I completely make a...
We can go back the way I
curve around there. I make a right here. Do I get on Grand Avenue?
No, you make a right.
Okay, immediate right.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
You saved 2 blocks. Well, I thank God it ain't as cold as it was. It's a bitch to get stuck in the cold.
I wonder, could that be the water pump bearings?
See, no, because your motor's still going.
Yeah, true. Yeah, spinning on the actual
only when
pulley.
you move.
Yeah.
That's why when you hear it, just generally step on a brake.
I did that, and it doesn't do it. I did that when I was with Jose.
Even when you're going faster, gently on the brake, just so ever gently. It just did it when you were on the brake.
No, when I did the turn.
When you were turning.
I hope
it could be the turn that caused it.
I just want to look at the speedometer cable work. I just want to look at the
Oh, under the car.
Yeah, the cable.
Is that where it was sounded from?
Yeah, that's where I'm. Mike's gonna have to do the sauce guy or Jorge. No, I'd rather not go to Jorge. Imagine Bob like back in the day. Just say, let me oil the whole car. Just dip the car in oil. See if it stops.
I got so many chirps with the 54 Chevy, I don't even listen to them anymore. Really? Have you driven in that car with me lately? I would just take Fresh Pond if you want.
No traffic though, Bob.
Less traffic, right turn.
Yeah.
Right turn to
Where am I now?
Make a right turn.
Okay, yeah.
Well, you can go either way.
Right down that ramp. Down the ramp and over. Yeah. That cuts off a lot of...
Well, really, you're going that way and then you're coming back.
Yeah, but if I have to stop, I won't be on a one-way or anything like that if I have to pull over from the noise, because I don't know what the hell it is. I was driving and praying. I'm driving and praying now. Please God, whatever it is, just let it, just make noise and don't let it get me stuck. I mean, I have free roadside assistance.
It's not your
That's
motor.
why I said for that. Thank God though. It's not the motor and tranny. Damn. It's gas pedal or not? Was that something I ran over?
I don't know. It sounded like it.
Yeah, it looked like it.
See what happened.
All my things are working. Man, Bob, I don't know where my mind was. Jesus Christ. I don't know if that was something I ran over or something that fell off. Wait, did I leave a tool? No, I took them. Shit, Bob, I don't know. I don't know if that's something I ran over or something that came off. I saw the debris in the back, black something, looked like a piece of plastic or some crap. It feels so good. Turns, I have to choreograph those because I just don't know what the heck it is. You heard that pop, right?
I heard that. It sounds like something on a wheel to me.
Yeah, it does.
Which would make sense with the leak.
Too many sounds. Check it out, Bob. Real quick. My brakes ain't working, man. Is there something with my brakes? Oh, my brakes are there. People can get in and out at their own.
So I wouldn't get under the car.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get in front of this white one.
I would get off the street. They're gonna come down.
No, I want to look and see what the hell it is. I can get right in front of this white Cadillac truck. It'll be my protection. Oh, fantastic. Look in front of the white Cadillac truck.
You want to pull over here?
Yeah. Jesus. Let's see. Whatever it is.
Let me get out so I can direct traffic away from it.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I don't need that. Whatever it is, it's affected my brake.
Did you hit a really?
Bushings are there in place, you know?
Did you hit a really bad pothole
Nope.
recently?
No.
Because it could be a bearing. Because sometimes they don't make noise and sometimes they do.
Yeah, but they in place. I thought that I saw in back after we hit whatever it was. See, Bob?
Right.
My brakes. Let me, oh, that's on the dunk.
Where's your master cylinder?
Right up top here.
Check the fluid in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. But that noise, I'm gonna use the emergency brake, but I just want to get on the dunk. Let me see. See, Bob, brakes to the floor. I just want to get on up this damn hill.
Brake fluid. I think I got.
Yeah, but I'm gonna
brake
check
fluid.
that. I have some in the trunk. It went really low on me one time before. Backing out of your garage. Honest to God, I got the same effect. I was like, what the hell? I can't stop? Yeah, like it's doing now. And I said, Chris, drive with that brake fluid that something told you to get, thank God, 2 weeks ago. The reservoir was completely empty, Bob.
Well, remember, my master cylinder went, and I had to keep driving the car. So I bought those big bottles of,
Stop
I used
leak?
most of them, though. No, not stop leak, the brake fluid.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You use DOT3. That's the normal
pull
brake
over
fluid.
here.
So you're on the hill here still. I'll
Yeah.
go to the next
I want
block.
this one to get away from it. You know, people that's home, you know, all she had to do was just drive. I pulled over and everything. And like she want to follow, you know. Do you ever have that happen? They actually follow you into
Yeah.
I just sit there like this.
Take a left here, and that's straight up.
Wait, Bob. Oh,